Hello everyone, and welcome back to Blockchain Minute. This is your host, Shabor, and today I will show you how to use blockchain Bootstrap to speed up the synchronization process of your SpectreSecurityCoin wallet. So let's get started. In the last episode, we left off with an installed SpectreSecurityCoin wallet. It has no peers and is currently not synchronized with the network. Let's fix that. So first of all, you want to close your wallet. From here, open your browser and go to SpectreSecurity.io. Now click on Documentation and click on Official Bootstrap. Download, and from here click here. You want to extract here, type in app data /roaming /Spectre Security Coin and press OK. Say yes to all, and now you can close your browser and reopen your wallet. From here you can see that you're 3 days behind with 12,927 blocks, and we currently have 9 connections to the network. And as you can see right now, the wallet is synchronizing even more, and now it's synchronized with the network. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.